Trinka and Sam, The Rainy, Windy Day. Story by Chandra Ghosh Ippen, illustrated by Erich Ippen Jr. For the children of the Gulf Coast and children and families who've experienced hurricanes. This is Trinka, and this is Sam. They are neighbors and they like to play together. In the summer, they build sand castles. In the winter, they go puddle stomping, and they always listen when it's time to stop. Well, almost always. Come on, Sam. Coming. Trinka, let's go. But it's so much fun. But one day it rained a lot, and they couldn't go outside. Trinka and Sam were sad and disappointed. Sorry, honey. This is not puddle stomping weather. The rain kept coming. Then there was wind, not just the kind that moves your hair and makes the leaves fly, but the kind that pushes you down the street and howls. Now Trinka and Sam weren't just sad, they were scared. They worried that bad things might happen. What if it happens again, said Trinka. Remember the day of the hurricane? What if we have another hurricane? Up, up, pick me up. Will the wind take my toys away? What if the wind blows down the house? Sam didn't say anything, but he felt like the wind was in his tummy. He took his brother's toy. He slammed the door. He didn't listen to Daddy. Trinka's mom was tired, but she understood. I have to clean. I have to cook. Okay, I see you need me. Hold me, Mama. Mama, Mama, Mama. Sam's dad was mad, but he understood. Sam, you need to listen. Be a good brother. They all remembered that day the rain and wind had been so big and scary. Trees fell down, houses were hurt, they were scared. They all remembered how hard life was after the rain and wind had stopped. Houses and schools stayed hurt. Friends moved away. They were upset with each other. Trinka's mom picked up Trinka. I think you are worried and scared. This time is different. They will warn us if we have to go. Our family has a good plan. Trinka snuggled closer. I love you so much. If the wind gets bigger, we will go somewhere safe. We are okay. The wind is scary. It makes me feel icky. I know it's scary. Sam's dad asked, Is the wind in your body? Let's get it out. Let's run around just like the wind. They did, and Sam felt better. His little brother did too, and so did his dad. It rained for a while. The wind blew. They were scared, but they were together. Eventually, the rain stopped and the sun came out. Trinka opened the door. Sam opened the door. And they all went out to play. Hello, Sam. Hello, Trinka. Let's play. The end. And now it's your turn to share your story. What pictures do you want to draw? What words do you want to write? For more information and resources, go to piploproductions.com/stories. Click on the Trinka and Sam series for a free downloadable coloring book of The Rainy, Windy Day. Thank you for listening.